here live at the courthouse with Jedediah Brown. Mr. Brown just got out of court this morning and we are going to, what's up? How you doing? We're gonna let him tell what happened this morning at the first court case and then how we ended up down here at the district court building.
So it's not Patel, it's Brickell.
Pickell.
Pickell.
P-I-C-K.
Brian Pickell,
It's Brian.
son
Okay.
of the former sheriff.
Okay, so that's who my judge was. And so I can tell the people that y'all got one fair judge that seemed to understand the Constitution. So today was a good day as it relates to like legislate litigation. I was able to get the order amended to where now I am now lawfully able to go on public property. I'm able to basically do everything that I was able to do before I got here, except for I cannot go on Neely's property, which would be actually coming off of the public way onto his property. The worst thing that happened today was listening to the city attorney,
The city attorney.
was he?
That was an underling of the city attorney.
Either way it goes, I want the taxpayers of Flint to know today that your mayor utilized city resources for a personal situation. And that is unethical, and there will be a complaint made. But also on top of that, that same attorney could not even be counted on to give counsel advice that is lawful because he intentionally lied and in order to try to get the court to act against me, saying that my YouTube stated that I wanted to basically do harm to the mayor, which that is not there. He presented a USB and I challenged it for him to play it, which he didn't want to do. And so basically, while they're literally putting a spin on things, I want to thank Mayor Neely and Ed and the city attorneys, because clearly y'all watching Investigate and Advocate. Thank you for the views. But make sure you listen, because what we're doing is constitutionally protected, is lawful, and is peaceful, just like we're gonna be on Sunday. Like I said, either this mayor does not know how to read and comprehend, or he clearly does not care about the laws, the prevailing laws of the land. So we're having, it's a good day. I still have a PBO against me, but the teeth is gone. Basically, my constitutional rights I put back in place, and all I gotta do now, which is what I came over here to do, which is get the bond condition changed that will stop me from that will restrict me from going to city council and being within 500 feet of City Hall. But outside of that, it was a great day. We got everything else we needed.
So Jedediah, you can still walk down a sidewalk with a casket, with 15 caskets, as long as you do the same thing that you just did. You didn't go up to the door. You wasn't playing in the driveway. You wasn't on the grass. So everything that you did, the judge said it was lawful.
Correct.
It was lawful.
All right?
Absolutely, and the judge was also bewildered, as many people are, about how we got in any of these positions, including, again, the fact that I was arrested days later for a non-violent offense without a warrant outside of the jurisdiction, because they even tried to bring that up, my criminal complaint, which I reminded the judge of my presumption of innocence. But the judge really seemed to understand the letter of the law. And I appreciate, what was his name again?
Brian Pickell.
Brian Pickell. I appreciate his courtroom. And I'm pretty sure that Mayor Neely he's punching the air. Mad as the fuck. Because there are people out here who understand the law. And we're gonna continue to fight this fight with the people of Flint. And I wanna say this, I thank everybody for standing with me. But what I'm dealing with is what you guys have been dealing with for so long. Thank you for caring about me, but this is not how this narrative goes. We gotta flip this, and the people who are going through this at Flint, this is the best time for you to speak up, because obviously there's a way to fight back.
Right. So thank you so much. I'm glad everything worked out for you today. And we're gonna keep fighting, because we need you back over there in council meetings, and we'll see Jed Sunday.
Also, Judge Pickell is higher than Judge Marable here. Judge Pickell is in the appellate court, circuit.
Exactly.
Marable's over here in low level. So that's a higher ranking judge right now. I know Supreme Court sets precedent, so does appellate sometimes. So I don't know how that could override this anyway. I'll do some research.
We did this also,
Thank you.
we
Come
also,
on down here.
we also did this without
Let
an
the people
attorney.
see who this is. this right here that's talking. This is Jason.
These are my people.
From We the People. So, welcome to A10, his official introduction.
Right on.
And, you've been with Jed all day and helping him out
Oh, yeah.
with everything. I seen it up there firsthand, so, I just wanna thank you.
I thank you guys, I thank him, shit, I didn't even know this was going on until him, so, you know?
I didn't have a lawyer, I had We the People.
And that's what we got.
Hey, look, you guys gotta read these documents like this is official court document style, it's accurate, the laws, the statutes, the number, my nigga. And this is all him, he got it right. Thank you.
It's all right.
All right.
And look at the lady, look at the Pope outfit.
Miss Beverly Biggs, Levy, candidate for Flint City Council, 3rd Ward. Transparency today, no, truth today. Transparency today, truth tomorrow. Well, truth every day, and transparency and all of that. All I know, you need to big some bus.
She ain't got no automobile, but she got no automobile.
Peace, family. We see y'all later on.